In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in Lucidchart. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the right workspace and shape a clear, polished diagram that communicates your process at a glance. Start by opening your browser and heading to lucidchart.com. Once the site loads, you'll land on the home page or your dashboard. This is the hub where you can quickly begin new documents without any heavy setup. Give the page a second to load fully so all the quick start options appear. Next, look for the area labeled Jump into Something New. This section is designed to get you building right away. It highlights common diagram types so you don't have to hunt through menus or settings. Think of it as a shortcut to the most popular canvases with all the right tools ready to go. In that section, click Flowchart. Lucidchart will open a new flowchart document instantly, placing you on a clean canvas with a Shapes panel on the left and formatting controls on the right. If a starter canvas appears, that's normal. It simply gives you a head start. You can delete any placeholder shapes you don't need and begin fresh, or keep what's helpful and adjust from there. Now, customize your flowchart. Begin with a start-end shape to mark the beginning of your process. Drag it from the Shapes panel onto the canvas, then double-click to name it clearly, like Start. Add process rectangles for each step, decision diamonds wherever a yes or no choice occurs, and connectors to show the flow between them. Use the small connection points on shapes to draw arrows. This ensures your lines snap neatly and remain attached if you move things around. Label your connectors with brief cues such as yes or no to make choices obvious. Use the right side formatting options to set consistent colors, line styles, and fonts. A simple color palette helps readers focus on the logic instead of decoration. Turn on the grid and snap settings to align shapes evenly, then use the arrange and distribute options to keep spacing uniform. Keep the flow moving top to bottom or left to right. Avoid crossing lines when possible, and group related items so sections feel organized. If the canvas gets crowded, zoom out for a big picture view or zoom in to fine-tune spacing and labels. As you finish, scan for clarity. Every shape should be labeled, every connector should point the right way, and decisions should always lead to clear outcomes. That's it. You went to lucidchart.com, used the Jump into Something New section, clicked Flowchart, and customized your diagram into a clean professional flowchart.